Alright, here we have some interesting little pins. These are all part of an auction find. So kind of cool. Alright, look at this one here. Just a nice, look at that. Actually says London. Beautiful piece. Very elegant looking. Very nice. Then we have right here the leaf Canada. Canada leaf. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Look at the colors in the leaf. So pretty. Really nice one. Okay, then we have one for USA. Let me see. I can't. When you lay down like that, you can't really see the whole detail of it. Isn't that nice? Very nice one. Alright, now we have this tiny little one here. Let me get a real close view. See how I can get this up here. The four-leaf clover. I'm not going to win on trying to get good coloring. Good lighting for it. Huh. Just not going to get good lighting. It's a four-leaf clover. It's a pin. Yeah, lighting's not good for it. I want to see what it says. It says leadership. Oh, leadership. Okay. It says leadership on it. And it's got a four-leaf clover. There you go. Sometimes even with the glasses, not too many people will be able to see that. There you go. You can see it so much better now. Leadership. Four-leaf clover. And I believe it's with the 4-H group. 4-leaf, and it looks like H's on each one of the leaves. Cool. Wow. Great. That's an old one, huh? Took a while to see it, but we got it. Oh, look at this. Aw. Just like a tiny little bumblebee. So cute. Decorative piece, for sure. Okay, then we got this one here. Look at that. That's beautiful. Shade of that pink is old time. Very nice. And then we have the flower. A couple of little stones right there. Beautiful. Some of the old pieces, huh? So elegant looking. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend. And be sure to check out the description in this video. So I have 3 books I've written myself up for sale. 2 are true stories. One was picked out by a screenplay writer. And the other one's a craft book. So go ahead and check out the description, grab those ISBN numbers, and get yourself a good read. Alright, bye-bye now.